So I want to share a flip through of my latest journal, this Mermaid hardcover journal. It's been painted and it's got a closure of a snippet roll, which is just undone by opening the button. Yes, you can see all my messy stitching. So as I said, hardcover, painted, and just, oh, it's just yummy. It feels so good. Front cover. And inside, as you can see, it's a waterfall journal. Absolutely love how this has turned out. So I'm going to just take you through it. A pocket at the front with your writing board. So you can use this when you're trying to write on all my little tiny bits of paper so that you can see it. And there's two pockets, one for the writing board and one little Hessian pocket for this little flip out journal. And it's just got a couple of little bits and pieces in. Obviously you can be adding to this. It's got a little anchor, not an anchor. It's like a porthole. I think it's a porthole. And fabric trim, gel prints, book pages, map pages. It's just full of all sorts of different papers. This is the corner of an envelope and I've just tucked in a little card in there. Got a little interactive page here. So it's like a porthole, and when you move it, you've got the mermaid sitting on some rocks behind. You can just see her behind the tissue. I just love it. Just loads of things to find in here. Little notepads tucked in. Bubbles. Bit of collaging for no particular reason. Big journaling card. Rusty paper clips. This is a crinkly old bag. You can cut this open and put more stuff inside. I've just left it your choice. Lovely card. This was just out of magazine paper and I've backed it and I've added corner tuck and another little tuck down here for it to sit. Little fish on a safety pin dangle there. Lots of frayed bits. More gel printing. In here you've got a writing page with loads more little notes on. Scroll page. More writing. When it's a music page, I usually tend to put some sort of writing page on it so that you can actually use it to write. Obviously, left this to your own devices. More flip-up pad. Big belly band made out of brown paper and some gelato printed paper. And this is just a postcard that I had that I thought just went so well. So a bit more writing space behind there. The other side of the tea-dyed paper bag, and it's just a tag. You can add what you like to. Waves, clusters. Oh, it's just full. Pirate ship. I love a pirate. Love a pirate. So sewing on some of the pages. The dragon. Bit of stitching. What's it called? Some embossing onto coffee dyed envelope or paper there. And this is just some secret writing paper. And I love how it's got all creased up in there. Tucks in. More writing papers. Look, tiny, tiny bits of writing paper. That's the first signature. The second signature is also waterfall effect. Cluster, big long cluster, and that is a little pocket there. I've just put a tag in. There's 2 spaces, so you've got a space right at the back and you've also got a space here. So there's a secret, even more secret space at the bottom. Just paper ruffle, bit of fabric trim down there, stickers, stamping. This is just weird and wonderful. I thought they looked like jellyfish, but they're actual faces. But to me, they look like jellyfish. A cool page where I've actually made it open and put some gel print behind. Coffee dyed envelope, which when you open it up hides this secret pocket. There's the pirate and some more writing paper there. And in here is a old letter. It's just a photocopy. It's nothing, not an original, that one. Die cut, and this is brown paper to strengthen my pages just there and to make a different effect. And I've got a little, what do you call it, tab, and in here is a little scroll, if I can open it. And this is your treasure map. So I've made a very cool little treasure map there. Distressed it all up. And it now curls up so well. And it tucks into that little space there. And I'll do that afterwards again. Writing space on top of this book page. Little paper bag there. And I just love this picture. I just thought it was just so cool, and backed obviously with some paper to write on. The end of the mermaid, bit of a mermaid tail. More just grungy papers. There's the pirate with his treasure. Bit of a cluster down there. There's the mermaid. Rusty paper clip and a Hessian or burlap tag, and in here is a little book, little mermaid book. It tucks into that little pocket there. It's just a gel print in the big tag, and I've sort of just made a pattern on the, see it better on that side. That was a punch. Paper. On this side I've put this silver netting, which the mermaid has collected lots of little bits and pieces. We are all made of stardust, that says underneath there. You've probably all got that. More treasure. And in the back there's this postcard that I've attached that's got let's explore and good things are going to happen, and they both tuck into the back of there. So lots and lots of writing space, even though there's like a lot of little tiny pages. You can still write a lot. So if you are interested in buying this journal, she will be in my Ko-fi shop. So pop over there, I'll leave the link in the description box. And thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.